In this video, I'll show you how you can use a teleprompter with your tablet or iPad. This presupposes that you're using your tablet or iPad to record videos. You might ask me, why should I record a video with my tablet or iPad? You might have bought these devices for your work, watching movies or doing your office work. But however, these tablets, they are capable of video recording. I have a Samsung S3 tablet and I was surprised to discover that it has got a 4K video recording capacity in its camera, in the video app as well as in the Pro Video app of the native camera. As you know, the front-facing camera of the tablets or iPads or whatever, they are of inferior resolution than the back-facing camera. Therefore, the question of using a teleprompter comes when you are going to use the back camera of your tablet or iPad. You will be unable to use a tablet or iPad with conventional teleprompters, which consist of a beam splitter glass positioned at an angle of 45 degrees, and then there is a plate on which you place your projecting device like a smartphone or an iPad, and the recording is done on the backside with usually a phone camera or a DSLR or mirrorless cameras. But I'm talking about tablets and iPads, and they're very difficult to incorporate as a recording device for the following reasons. A, you can get a clamp which will hold an iPad or a tablet, but even if you succeed in getting so, to get the central lens of the iPad or tablet in the middle of a glass of the corresponding size would be very difficult. Because if you want to do that, you would have to move the tablet or iPad very eccentrically, get imbalanced in the phone clamp or tablet clamp. You would find it very difficult to get the lens of a tablet or iPad to the center of a glass of the same size. If you keep two rectangles side by side, the edges of the rectangle would pair up. But if you want a point on the rectangle, on one of the rectangles, to come to the center of another one, that is the teleprompter glass, then that would be very difficult. So there's a lot of imbalance on the phone clamp and the whole system can topple over. So therefore, it would be very difficult to use conventional teleprompter for recording with an iPad or a tablet. So here comes the use of the Glidegear WB Solo teleprompter. It is a teleprompter which is suited for recording and projecting with an iPad, tablet or smartphone. It is meant primarily for use when it is placed over a desktop or a laptop. You could also use it with an iPad or a tablet. To set up the Glidegear teleprompter on your tablet or iPad, you need a strong tripod which can carry the load of an iPad clamp and an iPad. I'm using a small rig tabletop tripod. The next thing you will need is the tablet holding clamp which comes in the pack of the Glidegear WB Solo teleprompter. Place the tablet in the bottom half of the clamp. Extend the top jaw to grasp it and tighten the nut. Then place the teleprompter unit here. This is the base, this is the reflecting mirror, and this is the hood. Over the top here, after placing the teleprompter on the top of the iPad, tighten the screw. Go to the back and tighten these two screws. The teleprompter is now ready for use. You place a projecting device on the platform here. Write your script on the projecting phone, mirror it vertically, and then read from the teleprompter glass. You can use a device like this iPad, which has got a lens at the top corner in portrait as well as in landscape mode, as I'm using it here now in this present case. but not here where the lens is in the center. Before you embark on placing the Glidegear teleprompter on your iPad, it is better to study the user manual. Here you can see the different ways in which the Glidegear teleprompter is used. In the first example, it is used on a laptop. In the second example, it is used with the mirroring mode, and the third one, it is the hybrid mode. In the mirroring mode, the projecting platform is turned 45 degrees upwards to reflect the text on the screen onto the teleprompter. In the phone mode, the projecting platform is horizontal and it projects the text from a phone placed on it. So I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give it a like, share it with your friends. Press the bell icon to receive notification when fresh videos are uploaded. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and cheers.